I'm Josh Jacobs. I'm the current president of the Orthopedic Research and Education Foundation, and I also serve on the Research Grants Committee. And we did review this OREF ASES Rockwood Clinical Shoulder Research Grant, and that review generated some questions that I wanted to pose to you. And the first question is, how does it feel to be the 2025 recipient of this grant award?
Well, thanks, Dr. Jacobs. I really appreciate it. You've certainly been a pillar in my career and a leader in the field. So it's certainly an honor to receive the grant with you at the helm.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you very much.
So we'll start with Rebekah. What does receiving this grant mean to you?
Well, I think it's the beginning of something that's going to be a lot of fun and hopefully really impactful. So like scientifically, Dr. Zmistowski and I have had a lot of conversations about this area, the paucity of work in eccentric OA, and there's just so many questions to ask. And so nailing down a first step was probably the most challenging. And this OREF grant is that first step. And so I just look at this as the beginning of something that I think is going to be a lot of fun scientifically and also really impactful clinically.
This grant is about trying to define a pattern of arthritis that is very difficult for us to clinically treat and has characteristics that make even great surgeons frustrated in treating with shoulder replacements, and we don't understand why it happens. And this grant allows us to take the first step in really trying to define why that occurs and to classify it.
We just have to start somewhere and understand what is happening, and then we can start to ask the questions of how did we get here in terms of the development of the degeneration, and then also what happens next in terms of the development of implants, the balancing of forces through either surgery or rehabilitation. And so like just the first step of just characterizing what is happening in this unique patient population is really the goal of this work.
Well, on behalf of the entire OREF Board of Directors, I'd like to congratulate both of you on the receipt of this award. I wish you well in your research. I certainly want to acknowledge the role of the American Society for Shoulder and Elbow Surgery and their participation and collaboration with us in this Rockwood Clinical Shoulder Research Grant. So congratulations, and I look forward to the outcome of your research.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.